In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the status and history of an envelope in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can access your documents and envelopes. If you manage a lot of transactions, taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct account can help avoid confusion later. Next, go to the Manage section. This is where DocuSign keeps track of envelopes you've sent, received, and saved. Inside Manage, select the Send tab so you can focus specifically on documents that have already been sent out for signature. This makes it easier to locate the exact envelope you want to review. Now, find the envelope you want to check. If you have many envelopes listed, you may need to scan through the list carefully to identify the right one. Once you've found it, select the envelope to open its details. This area gives you a fuller view of what's happening with that specific document. From here, review the current envelope status. This status tells you where the envelope stands at the moment, such as whether it has been sent, delivered, completed, or is still waiting for action. Checking the current status first gives you a quick snapshot before you look deeper into the activity log. After that, look for the History or View History option. Depending on the version or layout of DocuSign you're using, the wording may vary slightly, but it serves the same purpose. Open the envelope history to see the timeline of actions associated with that envelope. As you review the history, look through the events recorded for the envelope. This section typically shows important activity such as when the envelope was created, sent, viewed, or signed. Be sure to check the dates and times associated with each event, since this helps you understand exactly when each action took place. You should also review the recipients and their signing activity. This is especially useful if you need to confirm whether a recipient has opened the document, completed their part, or is still pending. It can also help you troubleshoot delays by showing where the process currently stands. When you're finished reviewing the timeline, return to the envelope details. At this point, verify both the current status and the history of the envelope, so you leave with a clear understanding of its progress and activity. Thanks for watching.